Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at this month's amazing deals over at Ace Hardware. I will have a single link down below with a list of all the deals that we talk about in the video, hopefully in the same order. Also, some of last month's deals from last month's video have carried over. I went through, took out things that weren't that price anymore, and left the stuff that's still at the sale price. So that same link at the very bottom will have last month's deals that are still active too. So we're not going to go over them again in the video, even though they still exist, because that's just too redundant, but they are there if you want to check them out. So the first deal for this video is the Milwaukee cut resistant gloves. This is size large. You get one pair. Originally is $6.99, is now $3.97. And we also have the exact same thing, just extra large this time, but the same pricing. Now we're going to have, I believe it was 4 or 5 pairs of Milwaukee anti-fog performance safety glasses. I want to know what makes them performance. Clear lens for this one was $19.99, now $14.97, so a $5 discount for you there. Here we have the tinted lenses, same price. Here we have another tinted lenses, but I'm not sure how they're different from that last pair. And here we have the yellow lens. So all the same price, same discount on all of those safety glasses. The Milwaukee Torque Lock 7-inch forged alloy steel straight jaw pliers, normally $16.99 down to $14.99. So just a $2 discount for you on that one. The Milwaukee Fastback 6 3/4 press and flip folding utility knife was $17.99, now $14.99. We have the Milwaukee 30-foot compact tape measure, normally $23.99 down to $14.99. Pretty good deal if you need a 30-foot tape. Milwaukee Shockwave Phillips Square Recessed Torx multi-size impact insert bit and bit hoe. I don't know what a bit hoe is, but I don't want no part of it. Was $16.99, is now $14.99. I wonder if it was going to say bit holder. It just ran out of space. Bit hose is more interesting. Milwaukee Micro Carbide Metal Utility General Purpose Blade Dispenser 100 pack, normally $23.99 down to $14.99. Here we have some trash bags, the 55-gallon Contractor bags, wing ties. It's a 15-pack, normally $16.99, the sale price of $14.99, and then $3 off for the Ace Rewards members. That goes down to $11.99. Also, there is a promo code that is good for today only. It's 10% off regular priced merchandise. So nothing in this video is going to apply to it, and it's only 10% off, but let me get you that code. It is March 4. March 4. It's good for today only, 10% off. But again, it's not even all regular price merchandise, select regular price merchandise. So it's barely more than tax, and it's only on full priced items, and apparently not even all of those. So it was hardly worth mentioning. But anyways, I guess I did. We also have the 42-gallon Contractor bags. This one is a 20-pack. $16.99 on sale to $14.99, and then your Ace Rewards down to $11.99. We're going to have a couple of different Crescent adjustable wrenches here. It's metric and SAE. You got to love that. This is the 6-inch, was $17.99, then $16.99, and then we get it down to $13.99. So if you want to stick with the OGs of the adjustable wrench. Irwin Speedbore Max Speed Carbon Steel Drill Bit Set. It's a 3-pack, normally $18.99, sale price $17.99. Ace Rewards members get it all the way down to $12.99 for that 3-pack there. Back to the adjustable wrenches. This one looks like it is sold out online. You may be able to find it in a store near you, or it's going to be going for basically an entire month, so it may come back in stock. It's the 8-inch wrench, $18.99 to $17.99. Ace Rewards members, $14.99. And remember, Ace Rewards is just a rewards program. It is not a credit card. You earn points towards dollars off on future purchases, and obviously you save on some of these deals as well. The Milwaukee Fastback 8 1/4-inch flip folding spring assisted pocket knife, normally $26.99 down to $19.97. Another adjustable wrench for you. This is the 10-incher. Thankfully, it is both metric and SAE still. $22.99 down to $19.99. Ace Rewards members, $15.99. And here the 12-incher wants to get in on the fun. $26.99 to $24.99. Ace Rewards, $20.99. A couple of tape measures are going to be coming up. We have the Crescent Lufkin Control Series 25-foot black tape measure. Normally $27.99, now $26.99, and then $23.99 for the Ace Rewards members. Here is the Lufkin Shock Force 25-foot tape, $32.99 to $31.99. Ace Rewards members, $26.99. Crescent Lufkin Shockwave 25-footer Night Eye, $34.99 to $33.99 to $25.99 on that guy. This one seems a little overpriced for my money, but it's a $10 discount, so we'll throw it in here. Craftsman Versus Stack Polyester Tool Bag, 31 pockets. Normally $59.99 down to $49.99. I don't know about you, but I think the pictures for it suck. Can't even see. All right. Well, anyway, it's $49.99. We got a wheelbarrow, not a wheelbarrow. That's something different. This is a wheelbarrow. Ace Poly Residential 6 cubic feet, $69.99 down to $59.99, and Ace Rewards members get $54.99. Got some ladders coming up. Werner 16-foot aluminum telescoping extension ladder, type 3, 200-pound capacity, 8 to 16 feet. Normally $124.99, on sale for $89.99, and Ace Rewards members getting an additional $10 off down to $79.99 for the extension ladder. Here we got a step ladder. It's an 8-footer, still by Werner, 220-pound capacity. Normally $129.99 down to $89.99, and then Ace Rewards members pay $79.99. A couple of Craftsman cordless tool deals. Their cordless tools are actually pretty reasonably priced. Craftsman V20 90 mile per hour 20-volt battery handheld blower kit, battery and charger, normally $100, sale price taking a buck off, and then Ace Rewards members get $20 off, making it $79. I want to see down here. It's a 2 amp hour battery. It looked like a pretty small battery. So that 2 amp hour is not going to last incredibly long on a blower. Hopefully you're already in Ace's lineup, or if you're not, you're going to want to plan on either a bigger battery or additional batteries. So this one might go with it. We got the Craftsman Weed Whacker. It's the 20-volt battery edger trimmer kit. Again, battery and charger, same price, down to $79. I'm going to guess that's the same 2 amp hour battery. It is. So if you bought both, at least you'd have 2 batteries to swap back and forth on, but you'd still want, I don't know what Craftsman has, a 4 or 5, whatever they have in that general area. Here's the Milwaukee M18 cordless 5-inch random orbit sander, normally $149.99 down to $99. A bunch of stores have this same deal, and the regular price is really like $129. I'm not sure how many people normally have it at $149, but it is a sale price, but you can get it also other places if you prefer a different retailer. Craftsman V20 Hedge trimmer kit. Again, the battery and the charger, same price, down to $79, and we're going to go ahead and assume that's, oh, this is a 1.5. It got even worse. All right, well, they're going cheap on the battery options here. Craftsman 12-gallon corded wet dry vacuum 10.5 amps, normally $120 down to $99.99, and then a Ace Reward discount down to $79.99 for the shop vac. It's not a shop vac, it's a brand name, it's a wet dry vac. Okay. Another item that, it's a DeWALT 5 amp hours, the DCB 205 battery. Now, I really like this battery. This is actually my favorite DeWALT battery. I just feel like it's the perfect weight, size, and longevity of a life on a tool. But $159.99 down to $119. I really hate buying individual batteries because there's too many deals available that come with free starter kits, free batteries, and things of that nature. So although this is a cheaper price than where you're going to find it at other retailers currently, if you were fine with secondary market like a third-party seller on eBay or Amazon, or if you had the luxury to just wait for new promotions to come out or take a look at what existing promotions are available, you could probably find yourself a better deal. But strict price-wise, it is a sale price. It's cheaper than just a single battery at other places, although I don't really recommend going with this thing. We have a couple of Milwaukee bare tool deals that are going to be coming up. It's all the older stuff. It's brushed stuff, which isn't necessarily bad. People make too much of a deal out of the brushed thing because, look, anyone who's, I don't know, been using tools for more than 5 years has used brushed tools, and guess what? They work just fine. I know, people don't want to hear it. People don't want to hear it, but brush tools actually work. You can use them and do tasks with them. So, look, not as good, but it's not like they're junk. It's not like you're doing it by hand or something. Milwaukee M18 Sawzall brushed reciprocating saw, normally $139.99, on sale down to $119. Milwaukee M18 angle grinder, tool only, was $129.99 down to $119. And the brushed circular saw, it's the 6.5 inch, $139.99 down to $119. And we have another DeWALT deal here with the 20 volt, 4 amp hour lithium ion compact battery and charger kit, normally $179.99, down to $119.99, and then an Ace Rewards member of $99.99. Same spiel as the 5 amp hour. The 4 amp hour battery, I actually have this battery also. It's a good battery, it's fine. I would just wait for other promotions, but if you need it, whatever, that's the sale price. Here we have the DeWALT 12 volt max extreme 1/4 inch cordless brushless impact driver kit, $149.99 down to $99.99. Getting the DCB 107 charger. I don't own that one. I think it's a 1.25 amp output, but I'm kind of guessing. And 2 amp hour batteries. Looks like you get 2 of those to go with the tool. $99.99 for that one. Here we have the Milwaukee M12 cordless brushed. I'm surprised they actually put brushed in there. Usually they'll say if it's brushless, and if it's brushed, they're just mums the word. Just, you know, we're not going to say nothing about that. We're just not going to mention it at all, and that's your clue that, oh, these are brushed tools. Drill and impact driver kit, $179.99 down to $149.99, but we also get a free battery. I believe it was a 2. You get a free 2 amp hour battery when buying that kit. Here we have, does it look odd or like the picture is squished? I guess that's just the shape of that one. I think I actually own it. I should probably know. DeWALT 12 volt max extreme 3/8 inch brushless cordless drill kit. So the same thing as that impact driver. It's the same charger, the same 2 batteries, just getting a drill this time. And it is $99.99 just as the impact driver was. And then we have the hammer drill. Again, we're getting the exact same pieces. Oh, no, we're not. They're getting 3 amp hour batteries with that. Is that 2 3 amp hour batteries? I would guess. No, wait. 2 2 amp hour batteries. Let's see. Hammer drill 2, 12 max 2 amp hour batteries. What's included? 2 2 amp hour batteries. That picture definitely says 3. That's a 3. I can see still for a limited time, actually. Not kidding. I looked up this model on DeWalt's website, and the graphic says 2, and the description here says you get 2 amp hour batteries. And then looking up just the model of the hammer drill, it looks like there's only 2 options available. You get the bare tool or the kit we just looked at with the 2 amp hour batteries. But this graphic exists. Someone created a graphic for 3 amp hour batteries. So now that makes it very interesting to me. I would love the 3 amp hour batteries with this. I don't know, maybe in the future we'll see an additional kit that comes with the 3s, but that's kind of interesting. Obviously, Ace didn't just make that up on their own, so. Alright, moving on. Milwaukee M18 cordless brushed, tricking me here, 2-tool drill impact driver kit. Normally $199. When you add it to your cart, it is $179, and that is another deal that's available at several retailers. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Quick Lock 2825-21 whatever 18-volt leaf blower pole saw combo kit with the battery and the charger. Normally $499.99, now $369. I bought this back when it first came out, and I believe I paid $449, but it was, probably 2 years ago now. I'm not sure. Anyway, it comes with a 9 amp hour battery. Obviously, you get the charger, you get the pole saw, and you get the blower, and those are all great tools. I really enjoy, man, that pole saw is fun. Really nice, and $369, well, I think it's a good deal because I paid almost $100 more, so... Now the link down below to my website is going to this page here, and you see everything with the prices is in the same order that we just looked at it. And then I put these lines here so we can delineate between the newest deals and the older deals. So these were ones that we talked about in last month's video, and they are still good, so worth checking out there. And then at the very end of this thing, I added this Ace Deals link, which will go to Ace's website, and it pulls up this page here because there was some other stuff that there was too many things, and they weren't like highly discounted. They were very small discounts, so we'll scroll through really quick, but we don't need to get too crazy about it. All these saw blades are listed in that second portion at the bottom because they're buy one get ones, even though it doesn't say it right here. If you add 2 to your cart, it's the buy one get one deal. So we're just going to touch base real quick on some of the deals that I didn't put individual links to, just didn't seem worth it. Like this impact driver from Craftsman. I don't know if it's the exact same model number because I don't know how many different impact drivers are in their cordless tool lineup, but it sure as hell looks like the same one. Anyways, this thing was on sale as the kit for $59 for several months. So was the drill. I guess I don't know if some retailers still have it at $59 or not, but it's just, that's more expensive now, so what's the point? There was even the 2-tool combo kit that came with 2 batteries that was $99. We have this older drill that's $99. If you need a drill, fine, but it's not the most amazing drill. And then we also have some of the same or similar discounts as we had on the Milwaukee Bear tools here. There's that Craftsman drill I was talking about. And then other deals within here, we already talked about it last month, like the Power Stack deal. Talked about it in like 3 or 4 videos now. You guys know, hopefully. Like the Crescent mechanic set, $10 off. Woohoo! I mean, it's a $160 thing. $10? Come on. Be better off. Let me pay full price and I'll take my 10%. You know, the promo code we talked about. So anyway, that link is down at the very bottom if you want to scroll through. I kind of thought about this Craftsman Workbench. It was actually on sale for the longest time, $199 on Amazon, but people don't seem to like it very much. So, I really want the nailer. God, I really want the nailer. It comes with the Power Stack kit. You get the single battery and the charger if you buy the nailer. I want the nailer. I wish those nailers weren't so expensive. That's ridiculous. Alright, so that's it, guys. I will have that link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for a subscriber. We'll be doing these Ace deal videos every month when new things come out. And then if something throughout the month comes out that's worth your attention, I'll make individual posts. But we'll be on top of it. So, thanks for watching. Give the video a like. And again, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.